What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and before I go to bed tonight, I wanted to make this quick video to share with you and give you some progress on what's working for me with Pinterest traffic, Pinterest marketing for that matter. And before I continue on and give you the step-by-step tutorial to give you the different elements of what's sending me traffic to my site, I want to let you know that if you click the link down below, I'll give you, if you put your email in here, I'll send you my toolkit. This is my Pinterest traffic toolkit. You get 12 case studies, templates, guides, everything that's working for me. I'm going to show you how I profit with Pinterest, how I get traffic with Pinterest, what's working for me now. You get my templates, all that good stuff. Okay, and this is for free. You know, I should really be charging for this, but what the hell? I want you to succeed as fast as possible. So make sure you click the link below, put in your email, and get a hold of this toolkit. This is something you're gonna want to bookmark for real, because you're gonna be coming back to this page and clicking on these free resources over here. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. Now, this might look like just a regular video Pinterest pin to you, but there's a lot going on here. I've been playing with Pinterest video for about 4 months now, if you track past videos of mine. So I know what I'm talking about here, and I've been getting traffic steadily with Pinterest videos. And one other thing about Pinterest videos is you don't have to speak. You don't need any audio whatsoever, truth be told. You don't have to say a word. You don't need any background music. Actually, I would recommend that you don't use any music whatsoever, any sound whatsoever. It should be a silent 10-second little video, a vertical video, okay? Another thing about Pinterest video, or Pinterest for that matter, is that people who use Pinterest use it with their mobile phones. It's really important, and that was a game changer for me, which I'm going to explain to you in this video on how to set up a Pinterest pin. Another thing is with Pinterest videos particularly, you have to direct your audience to click read it, okay? Read it. Okay, so let me explain why. Go to Pinterest right now. This is a Pinterest image pin. So if you click on the image, it will send you directly to the squeeze page, okay, or to the bridge page that the person's using. That's all fine and good, very easy to get traffic this way. But with a Pinterest video, okay, this is a Pinterest video, you can't, if you click on the video, it's only going to pause the video. You have to direct your audience to click the link. That's really important, okay? And on mobile, it doesn't have the website here. It says read it. Okay, it's listed as read it. Okay, so if you want to head on over to the website after seeing the video, your traffic, your audience has to click the read it button. Okay, and that's why I have it very clear at the top here. Click read it. Okay. I recommend that you use the same call to action at the top, okay? And you should have an arrow pointing down, because usually the read it button is at the bottom of the Pinterest pin, okay? When people are using on mobile, really important stuff to remember. And then you want to add your value proposition, right? So for this example, 12 free Pinterest traffic tools, okay? And you can see that the color palette, okay, I use 2 different colors, red and blue. Okay, and I have a white background, and I have stickers here. I'm going to talk more about this in a little bit. Now you might be asking yourself, well, Ike, your conversions are going to be much tougher with video. Why not just use Pinterest image pins? Number one, I still use Pinterest image pins, and I talk about that within my Pinterest traffic toolkit here. But Pinterest video, there's a big advantage using Pinterest video, and that is Pinterest is pushing video hard. Okay, if you're putting out video, they're gonna give your video preferential treatment for your keyword. Now, if you didn't know, I said keyword because Pinterest is a search engine, okay? And if you want to create your Pinterest pins, video pins for free, I use Canva. Okay, Canva, there's a paid version, a free version. I just use the free version, and I don't use the paid version, so there's no reason why you should use the paid version either. Okay, you want to go to your Canva, open an account, and click on the Pinterest graphic template. Okay, and then what you want to do is, I used to use video, and there's nothing wrong with using video as a backdrop, But what I've been doing now with more success is using what are called stickers. So go to Elements, and I have these stickers here, okay? Or you can just go to the search bar, click stickers. And there's a bunch of different stickers here you can use. A lot of them are free, most of them are free. And they're really useful. Again, I'm not paying for any of this. So what you wanna do is, again, put a clear call to action to click read it, okay? Because again, people are using mobile, and when people are using mobile, this internet, your web page will be under the actual pin, okay? And it's gonna be under a button saying read it, okay? That's a very important call to action to have. Then you're gonna have your value proposition. I like to use numerical ones like 12 or 7 different ways to lose body fat in a week, or 12 free Pinterest traffic tools, or 31 baby shower printable games, something like that, right? And again, at the bottom here, I have click read it for free access, right? So as you can see at the top and bottom, I have a call to action. I have an arrow here, okay? An arrow that's directing the audience to go down, to look down, okay? They'll eventually land on the read it button, and they'll click on over because I told them to. And I have a little sticker here, okay? Now, it's very simple to create these different pins. I'll create one with you right now. Okay, so let's get rid of everything real quick. Okay, so click read it. This is something I urge you to have at the top. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I create a pin. So I'm gonna click search, search bar. I want that search bar graphic. Oh, where is that free one? Because I was using a free one. Search bar. What if I write search? Perfect, boom. Search bar graphic. And I'm gonna expand it out. I'm gonna click position backwards. And then here I want an arrow, like I mentioned earlier. So I'm gonna go to Elements, and I'm gonna write arrow. And I'm gonna have a bunch of arrows I can choose from. I'm gonna choose this one here. I'm going to bring it up to the top. Actually, what I wanna do is maybe I wanna use this arrow, but I wanna clear this out here. So I'm gonna put maybe an element here, like a box, or maybe rectangle is a better, not a square per se, but a rectangle. Okay, that will work fine. Let's move that over like this. And increase the size, turn that black. Add it in here, almost like a bookmark. Position it to, position the rectangle to back. No, let's go one back. Wait, one more. Perfect. Just like that. Maybe add another one. Perfect, just like that. Now we have a cool little arrow. Everything is drag and drop. I want to keep this red. Why not? Pinterest is red. So I'm going to bring this down here, make this bar red. Okay. Perfect. You can put here, I want to keep this a very simple call to action. And here, I'm going to make this 12 humongous. Let's make this 600. Boom. That's a little bit too big. Let's make it 500. Boom. Very good. 12. 3. Pinterest traffic tools. I like to keep just two colors, make it simple. Let me see. I'm gonna use this from my actual Pinterest account as well. So I want to actually show you what I'm doing. And you know what? I'm going to actually increase the size of this. Wait a second. Duplicate. And one more duplicate. I don't like that. Let's position to the back. Cancel this. Let's click on the arrow and position it to front. Very easy stuff. And keep it simple, right? You don't want to make it overly difficult. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. I like that. Bring the 12 up front. Now the background's kind of stale. We should change that up. What I'm gonna do is actually add a video. And I think I'm gonna add this ocean. I'm gonna flip it around like that. And I'm going to drag it across. What I want to do is position to back, and then I'm gonna make this white. Same thing here, 12 free tools. Just like that. So when it plays, you can have the ocean in the background. It's going to be really cool. And again, you have a clear call to action. Click read it, and you have the value proposition. Okay. So also when you download this, you want to make sure you download not only the video but the PNG. Okay. You want to download the PNG as well, because Pinterest is going to ask you for both the video and the image form of your pin. Okay, so I'm going to download my pin. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to download the video form of this as well. And that is how, wait, that's too much. And that is how you create a Pinterest video pin that'll actually get you traffic. 1 second. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to check out the link below to get access to all of my case studies, all of the things that are working for me now with Pinterest, how I profit online with Pinterest, how I get traffic via Pinterest, how I create all my Pinterest pins, both image and video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And like always, subscribe and like and spread the love around. Okay, be good, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.